As you can see, I'm big into PC setups and gaming. I have one of my own that I use for productivity, gaming, and content creation. So when a vendor contacted me to do a video review of this awesome mini PC with tons of good features, I was really happy to accept and work with them. Let's take a quick look. This AskHand mini PC comes with a lot of good things, but first let's talk about connectivity. On the backside, you get the power outlet, not one but two HDMI ports and one USB-C, meaning you can put two and potentially three screens, two USB ports and the Ethernet cable connection. For extra sound features, a 3.5 jack connector as well. And on the front side, you get two extra USB ports as well as the power button. Heat dissipation, no problem. This little box is equipped with three vent exits to secure some good airflow. Now on the performance, it comes with a nice Ryzen 5600H, which is a cool AMD processor with 6 cores and an average of 4 GHz of speed. And in terms of the GPU or video card, it comes with an integrated AMD Radeon Graphics 7, which I found it can support light gaming, which is awesome. The storage and speed is one of the good features of this mini PC. It has 16 GB of RAM and 500 GB of an SSD drive, which make it super fast. Internet is also covered with a Wi-Fi 6 band, and it's also really nice that it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, so it's ready to go out of the box. Size-wise, you can see how small it is, and while it can be placed in horizontal or vertical position, it also comes with brackets on the back, so you can actually mount it on either on your monitor or your wall. So overall, I will recommend this mini PC to anyone who lacks of space at home or even a small business or company that needs a reliable tool for productivity and working apps, and at the same time a really nice entertainment center. I hope I helped you with your purchase experience, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.